Hi farms, yeah, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your documents not opening on Windows. Now, the first thing is to come to your settings app. To do that, just click on Windows plus I button, and that takes you to the settings interface. And then from here, click on apps, and then click on default apps. The next thing is to search for the document type or the document extension that is not opening. Now, for example, let's say docx is not opening. You want to search for that, and then click on docx right here. So the next thing is to select the default app to open this type of document. So for me, I'll just go with the WPS Office. So click on that, and then click on set default. So when as you try to open this document, it uses the WPS application to open that, and it should work. If you're having any issues with other types of document, just come back here and search and make sure that you set a default app to open such document. I hope that solves your issue. Thank you for watching. Kindly like and share the video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel.